Alright guys, so I hope y'all don't hear my mom too much in the background. I already did most of my hair. I only have about 2 more pieces left over. So what I'm gonna do is I get 2 pieces of the Freetress water wave hair. So these are 2 individual pieces, and what I'm doing is I'm going to basically fluff out the hair. So just run your fingers through it, just like how you're separating your hair when you have a braid out or a twist out, same concept. And yeah, I'm just separating it, fluffing it out, because I feel like the fluffier it is, the easier it will be for you to get the butterfly effect without having to use your thumb. So hey y'all, don't mind my nails because I'm gonna be getting my nails done today. Have a lot of new growth, so it's definitely time for me to get these bad boys done. Oh my gosh, she is so loud. I bet y'all could probably hear her. Anyways, alright y'all, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist the middle of the hair. I'm gonna just twist it, twist it, twist it, just so that it makes it a little bit easier for when I crochet. So now you're gonna put your crochet needle through the base of your braid, and then you're gonna hook the hair onto the crochet needle, close it, and pull the hair through, and then you're gonna pull one end through, and you see this is what it's looking like now. So this is how long my locks are. So I'm gonna bring down this piece to where my locks stop at, so that my hair is pretty much even. We're gonna start wrapping. So you have you're gonna be holding the shorter piece and your braid, and you're gonna just wrap the base really tightly for maybe about 2 or 3 times. You're gonna just wrap your hair like really loosely, and that kind of helps you to get that butterfly effect without using the thumb method, because I think the thumb method is too hard. I tried to do it, couldn't grasp the concept, and I have nails on. So alright, so we're gonna get 2 pieces of the Freetress water wave here. Anyways, so again, you're gonna just separate the hair like you're separating your own hair when you do a braid out. Best way to explain it. This is like, this style is so easy, but this part just make this take longer than what it has to. Well, now that my hair is pretty much already separated, it could be separated a little bit more, but this will suffice. Alright, so now you're gonna twist the middle of your piece. It makes it a little bit easier for when you crochet the hair onto your braid. So I'm gonna stick the crochet needle through the base of my braid, and I hook it on, close it, and I'm gonna just pull it. I'm gonna just pull it through. So you see where my hair stops at? So that's where I'm gonna have the shorter piece be. So now I'm gonna hold my braid and a shorter piece, and then I'm gonna wrap the base of the braid 2 to 3 times, maybe 4, just to give it some extra needed security. And then you just wrap. And you just wrap them really loosely. And now that you're at the end of your short piece, you're gonna just use a longer piece and wrap it up your lock. These are the final results. Basically, number one, I used 41, well, I installed 41 braids into my head. I used about 4 to 5 packs. I ended up buying like 9 packs because I figured, okay, I've never done a style before and I feel like I have a really big head and I have a lot of hair. So I figured I would need more hair, but I really didn't need that much. I actually used a lot less than what the YouTubers were using. But I always recommend, whenever you're doing a style, if someone says that they use 7 packs, buy 9, because better safe than sorry, because God forbid, you know, you're in the middle of doing your hair, you burn out, and then you go to the beauty supply store, it might be closed, or they might not have, you know, the hair, you know, all the other stuff. So that's just a word of advice. I used the Freetress water wave hair in the color number 2. This was like $8 a pack. So this hair is very expensive. I paid like $70 in total at the beauty supply store, so that was a little bit annoying. But I prep my hair using the method that I use in my how to prep my natural hair for a long-term protective style video, and I'll be sure to link up in the iCards above. And basically I show y'all how I wash my hair, blow dry, and all the other stuff before a long-term protective style. But yeah, so I hope you all okay. Anyways, after I was rudely interrupted, I hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.